So let's begin the show with the Bradley Yo.
I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
Hi there guys, it's your boy DCS back again in another video, and I hope you guys are doing great. Anyways, today's car is the CENTY Baleno, and one thing you might have noticed is I've changed from Hindi to English. Don't worry guys, I'm actually making alternative videos, like some will be in Hindi and some will be in English, because the percentage which you guys can see over here is that 60% of people want my videos to be in Hindi and 36% want it in English. So I can't disappoint both of them, so I'm making it both in English as well as in Hindi. And also today's car is the Suzuki Baleno, and it is a pretty cool car. It's the first generation Suzuki Baleno. Actually, the first Baleno which came out from Maruti Suzuki was a sedan. Yeah, here's the image of that. It was really cool, slick type of design, which was very nice. And of course that car got discontinued, and then the hatchback version came, which I think people did not like at first, but now they're starting to tune it all over, so that's pretty cool. And I've got the red color of this car because the color options, if you see right here from CENTY Toys, you have many. You have the red one, you have the blue one, and white and yellow. I was expecting the white color one because, you know, white, which kind of looks nice. I really like the white color, so I didn't get that. But still, the red isn't that bad guys. Like, it's kind of like a rose red, which is very cool. We'll get to the details in the unboxing part, but before that, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button immediately and also press the bell icon not to miss any of my updates. And don't worry, this car's links will be in the description for you guys to purchase, so you can go and check it out later. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because this car's detailed pictures will be coming up in the Instagram, yes, after the upload guys. You guys can go and check it out. And now let's go for the unboxing of this CENTY Baleno. Finally unboxed the Suzuki Brezza, and wow, it's really looking good guys. Like, CENTY Toys have put a lot of updates on this thing. Like, the paint job is the first thing. Wow, the paint job on this thing is very nice, but I would like to suggest their packaging be a bit more good because of the glass. Yes, the glass right here is kind of fogged up and shabby. It's because of that plastic rubbing over it again and again. So now this is kind of permanent. I tried cleaning this thing, it didn't go, so that's kind of disappointing. Anyway, it's written Boss right here. The front end looks pretty decent. It's very nice. The headlamp detailings are very good compared to all the older CENTY Toy versions, and this is a pretty good, neat car. Like, they've done the detailings very nicely, and the wheels aren't especially that good, but I actually like it this way. The grayish kind of like non-gloss type gray, which is looking really good. And this is the bottom of the car. You have CENTY Toys written right here, made in India, which is nice. And of course, you've got your twin exhaust at the back. They didn't miss out that detail, which I really appreciate. And here is your interior, which you all have been waiting for. This is the exact same interior of the Baleno, which is very nicely done. Yes, they have mimicked this properly. And the door opening is kind of silent guys, so it does not make that shutting sound. Yeah, it does make that one, but when you open it, it's not that bad. It's really good. This is the back of the car. That's pretty much most of the details except for the Maruti Suzuki logo. So this is how the back end looks, and you have the glass tail lamps, which is nice. You have twin speakers over there, which is really good attention to detail. This is a side profile of the car. Yep, I really love this car's design. It's very nice. Let's hear its pullback. That's pretty fast actually for an hatchback. Yes, this motor is very nice. So now let's go for its specs. Since you guys are done looking at the car, now let's go for the specs of the 2016 Suzuki Baleno. So talking about the first gen Baleno, let's start off with the engine. The engine, there are many options, so I just got it down to the two most common ones which people actually buy. The first one is a K12M inline 4-cylinder, a 1.2 liter inline 4-cylinder engine, which is pretty common petrol engine. And then you have the K12N, which is an inline 4-cylinder dual jet engine, but the speciality of this engine is that it comes with a mild hybrid system that is nothing but it uses uses a regenerative braking to power up the car just to increase its mileage by a little bit. So it's called as the SHVS, which is nothing but the Smart Hybrid Vehicle by Suzuki. So that's the full form of SHVS for the people who wanted to know what does that mean. So that was the thing with the engines. And now moving on to the transmission, you have a couple of options. You even have a 6-speed for the sports version like the RS or something. So the first one is a 5-speed manual, and then you have a 4-speed automatic, which is in the K14B engine. So as I said, there are many engine options, so it comes with that one. And you also have a 6-speed automatic, which is for the RS or the sport version. And talking about the horsepower now, the horsepower from the K12N, it is 89 horsepower, and the K12M produces 86 horsepower, just a couple of horsepower less. Anyways, going for the acceleration time, so I've combined all of the engines and I've got it to an average. So it might go somewhere from 10.2 seconds to 12.7 seconds. Yeah, the 12.7 second mark is the highest, like for the lower engine variants, and the 10.2 seconds is the fastest it can go in the 0 to 60 time. Talking about the top speed, you have the top speed ranging from 170 to 185 kilometers per hour, which is actually not bad. It reaches 200, some people say, but rumors are just like that. Anyways, talking about the body style, the last part, guys, that's a 5-door hatchback, so obviously you guys knew it. And this car is sadly only available in a front wheel drive. So yeah, I know I can hear you guys crying out there. It's not available in all-wheel drive either. It's only available in front wheel drive. So that's kind of disappointing. Anyways, that's the info part, guys. Now let's talk about its ratings. So guys, I've thought a lot about this thing, so I hate to give it this number, but it is what it deserves. So I give it an 8 out of 10. So guys, comment down below whether I was fair for this car's ratings or not, or give your opinions on this car in the comment box. Let me know. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and also share to all your car enthusiast friends who are collecting CENTY toys or any other diecast to watch me. Alright guys, I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more. DCS out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.